Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Baracco once again, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to focus on sending healing to all those in need. And in particular, we're going to send healing to all those affected by hurricanes now and very recently. So first, let us bring our attention to all those affected in Newfoundland, Labrador, Halifax, Prince Edward Island, that entire area. And just close your eyes and send everyone in that entire area all your love. See a beautiful wave of loving light coming from you to everyone affected by the recent hurricane there. Focus on sending them hope, reassurance. Everything's going to be okay. That somehow, some way they will overcome all of this and build new lives, new homes, will be better off than they are now. Sending prayers to all of them, calling on God and the angels and all our love to be with all of them now. See a beautiful blanket of loving light wash over everyone in that area. And know that everyone's energy there, their spirit, is being cleansed, being uplifted. Help them to know that greater days lay ahead for them. They will truly renew and rebuild, bigger, better, stronger than ever, more resilient than ever. They will persevere. Let us also send healing to everybody in the Florida area for the hurricane that they're going through right now. Sending all of them prayers and love and light and support and encouragement, blanketing them in safety and protection and reassurance that they will be okay. Understanding we are all connected, we are all one. We're all in this together. Feel that connection. Know that you are also supported by Mother, Father, God, and the angels and everyone. Just breathe a big sigh of relief. Even with all of these things going on in the world and everybody going through so many things right now, we're going to be okay. Sending healing now to the people of Ukraine. Sending them healing, sending them reassurance. They're going to be okay too. Praying for peace, knowing peace will ultimately prevail. Taking a big sigh of relief, knowing this is truly the truth. All is in divine order. Knowing that reassurance within ourselves, bringing all that reassurance now back to this time, back to this place, back into our own physical bodies, knowing we are loved and we are supported as well. Feeling grateful for everything we have today, how blessed we are to have our homes, to have our safety, our well-being, and wishing the same for everyone else.